Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandi Rose if you did not know, and I'm showing you how I installed this CurlyMe hair, a V-part wig. And these are the products that came with it, just a few, essentials. Some clips, some wig caps, they had some lashes, an edge control brush. Let's see, this is perfect for using on your edges, and a bonnet. Now, since this is a V part, I did braid my hair down originally like this, but I eventually changed it. But I needed to go ahead and put on the wig so I can do some cutting, some shaping. Now, this is the most important part because this is how the wig is gonna look more natural, more like your hair. The content creators and influencers' wigs are not coming out the pack perfect. They're literally manipulating it, making some subtle adjustments to, make it look like your hair and make it look expensive. So I like to pull the front hair to the front, cut it, and then go down in an angle and shape it, frame my face. And this is what I came up with. I eventually cut some more, but that's the beauty of hair. You're just gonna keep shaping it until it feels good to you. This is what felt good to me at the time until I cut it shorter. But let's get into styling. Now I'm gonna give you two ways to style it. One way that we're starting off with right now is finger coiling. So I'm using the almond and avocado design essentials mousse. And I'm not a fan of the smell, so I eventually switched up the style, but I just want to go ahead and show you how I do it. So I drown the hair in the mousse, rake it with my hands, and then also use a brush to really get, the tangle, and then I go in and finger coil it. See, I really don't like the smell like that. But yeah, once I go in and brush it down, I'm taking a few pieces at a time and finger coiling it, not too small, not too large, and then we're just gonna let it dry overnight. So here's the process. For comparison's sakes, this is the side that I finger coiled, and this is the side that I have not touched yet. Now this is both sides finger coiled, and I'm just gonna let it dry overnight. Now this is the next day. The hair is completely dry, and now I can rake it out and make it big and see how it sets, and also take my twist out of my natural hair to see how my natural hair blends with it.
so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Say our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you.
Finding that just flat twisting my hair didn't work for me, so I had to hot comb the edges, and then I'm gonna use this, I want to say it's a 1/4 inch barrel, and wand curling it, and I love this look so much. As I was doing this video, I learned that using the gummy for edge control works better than any edge control. It makes so much sense, but I'm using this for here on out. So I'm shaping out my edges. I want to make this look, you know, natural. But as you see, we're about to switch up this look very quickly. Now I have my edges wrapped down with the wrap that they gave me, and this is how the hair looks so far, just finger coiled. I'm making it fluffy, trying to round it out, and it's really cute. Looking at it now, I really do like it. However, I just want it to look a little more like my hair, but just to give you a full 360 of it, or a better look, I can flip it over like this and do a flip over method, and that works. The hair blends pretty good with my hair as well, but let's try. Hear me out. Let's wand curl the whole wig. I actually love this so much better. It just bounces more. It gives a little more body. It blends in better with my natural hair, so it doesn't look, you know, like a wig or clip-ins or extensions or whatnot. It looks more like my hair, especially when I take off this headband. Just look at that blend. This is absolutely beautiful. Now I do realize that one side is a little bit shorter than the other, and it's not too noticeable, so it's fine with me for right now. I may end up cutting one side to, you know, even it out, but right now I'm liking it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Would you cut it a little bit shorter? Did you like it longer? Also, have you tried a V-part wig before? What's your favorite? Let's meet in the comments down below and have a quick little discussion. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.